snake. Are you gonna try to bite me?
He's curled up ready to spring. I'll tell you that much. Look at him.
Yeah, it looks like our little visitor is more scared of us, which is good because I almost stepped on him.
I don't know what kind of snake that is.
I don't think I want to find out. So this is where we need the GoPro so we can extend the camera and not our arm. There's our waterfall. Favorite run so far in Utah County. We didn't see a snake last time. Where'd he go? Oh, he's right there. You know, he's looking pretty aggressive. I say we leave him alone.